สวัสดีครับพี่น้องมนุษย์เดินดินครับ
เจ้าซื้อ
วันนี้พากันมากินพันธุ์ปลาเอาเรื่องอันนี้หมักทุเรียนไว้พี่น้อง Got some durian going on over here บ่ได้ขนาดเปลี่ยนนิสัยเขาเมื่อคืนนี่เมาบ่ได้ฮะ Couple more days gonna be 4th of July พี่น้อง When this can go
nice and tough to drink right now.
I think it's not too crispy. Remember?
มาเอาทำกันน้ำเปลี่ยนนิสัยทำกันน้ำเปลี่ยนนิสัย
Don't push it, JJ.
Oh, you're gonna fall.
fall backwards.
อ่า
Okay.
มากินบ้านนี่นะ
Doing it, Marty.
อู้ร้อนว่า
The chili?
It's a vegetable, right?
The other one is asleep.
How's the meat, Bevan?
I have to take this thing out. It's not even usable at all. มากบาทนี่นะ
ระวังมันตก
เบิ่
นะ
งเอานี่อันนี้เป็นเจียวหวานกับเจียวส้มใส่น้ำตาล
You gotta have the chicken too or no?
You don't want any of this sauce on him? The sweet and sour sauce? Mwah. มาปลาอันนี้ปลาบ่มีเก็บอะไรมุดจับได้ตัวนึงมันมาจืนกินเพื่อบ่ได้หน้ามันขุ่นโพด
Oh my god. Getting old.
อันนี้มันไป
Hi, you want some? Yes
ไป
or
บ่
no?
กิน
What are you eating?
ไล่จับเอาได้ตัวนึง
What do you
เอามา
mean?
ต้ม
Grapes? Oh. Don't choke on it. Okay?
2 more days guys 2 more days before July Well now the weather is nice and cold
Is that from Costco? What? I kind of want to try some now. Costco usually has good ones.
It's so nice and
Apple.
I didn't know Costco sells durian. Asian Costco does. What's an Asian Costco? Where all the Asians go to?
long one it's sorry
Asian island. These are your tomatoes. No.
นี่มาทุเรียน
Not worth my water.
Man, oh my god. Pretty good.
Okay, you asked
Man, it only tastes good when it's frozen.
Is it, you actually eating it? That's a burden.
Yeah, it was an April favorite here. I'm gonna save that one for them.
That's supposed to be the best kind, though.
What?
Masoon, Masang King.
Well, that's the premium, yeah.
All you gotta say is just eat it. We can just go get it at Costco.
No,
Asian Costco, not like Costco.
Save that one for them.
Dude.
Hey, it don't taste like the other durian. Sometimes the other one's not good at all.
I ate on it. You want it?
Man, sell over here so damn expensive.
That is the.
But over there is so nice and cheap.
Wait, I have lettuce. I'm gonna go get more. It's in there.
My mom,
A little bit right here.
they have a tree. Man, this thing kick in so damn fast. Right here, the vegetable. What?
Salad.
Want noodle? Noodle? We're gonna fall. Oh, I'm shooting right now, man.
He has no fear.
It's gonna start screaming, boy.
Sauce is not even that spicy.
Then why don't you just move the great bowl over to the chair next to you?
I want to take the great bowl over there. I'm kidding me.
Okay, he lets it test people's money.
Fuck man, what more than that's it. We should talk and talk and we'll see you guys Wednesday, guys. Wednesday.
Everything's gonna go on here.
In the house, I guess. That was the deal, right? It should. Eric said, nope, not coming in. I said,
You can talk and talk.
over there.
Oh yeah, this part is hot. Why not?
ทำกันน้ำเปลี่ยนใส่toast to Jesus Jesus or Jesus or whatever Tostito man and Henry Tostito
Henry's juice. The first time you said 4th of July, I heard 4 of you guys.
พอกันสำหรับสองนี้ก่อนเนาะเอาไว้ชื่อเท่านั้นอย่าลืมกดไลค์กดแชร์กดซับลำบากายมนุษย์ดูดีครับ
Just it.
bye 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 April bye Aiden bye June adios